do we need to file a return to IRS as well as to state as well as to the city?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let me clarify. Yes, that was a very good question. That when it comes to business, not everyone, but most people think filing with IRS is completely done,
Enough.
or maybe state. So, but when you're doing business, so you have IRS to deal with, filing federal return.
Hmm.
We call it IRS or federal return. Then you have to file a state return or a report. Like for California, you have to file. That's what they call it.
Hmm.
In Texas, they say report, but it is kind of filing, but it's report. And then city, whichever city you are operating from, you have to get the license. California, any city you're operating from, you have to get the business license, and yearly you have to file a business return on your gross revenue.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
So I think we pretty much covered
Yeah.
most of the topics, and in general approach of how to find a professional. So hopefully our viewers would have a better understanding how to approach. And then we will start another session of text talk. Then we can go into the detail of the forms, a little bit of technicalities of the individual forms, type of business forms to be used, why those form needs to be used. So we'll get into that. So
Right.
that will be
Right.
interesting. I will wrap up this episode with a thanks of watching our show. So thank you very much. I will thank you, Shams, who
Welcome,
participated
sir.
in our
Thank you.
question and answer, and Ali. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, but I think it's a tax accounting, it's a dry subject, so I should not say enjoy. You, so I hope all of you had a good understanding. All of the taxpayer who are in need or searching a tax professional had an understanding how. And we are here also. Our numbers once again is 888-333-5994, and you can go to our website taxmagic.tax, and you can send us an email also, info at taxmagic.tax, and then our representative will be standby to answer all of your questions. Once again, thank you very much for watching our show, and I'll be back with more tax talk in our future episode. Goodbye.